This is lab 5 for DC circuits, where we were asked to go over a potentiometer, a photocell, a transistor, and a relay. So what is all this? Why does it work? And how does it work? Well, first off, we're going to look at our schematic. This is our schematic. Super simple. We first start off with 3.3 volts, which we're getting from the left side of the breadboard. We then go onto our potentiometer, which is just a resistor that you can change the value of the resistance of. We then move on to our photocell, right here, which grabs light from outside sources, which then is like an on-off switch. If you have enough light, it will let electricity through. If you don't, it won't. We also have a potentiometer to change how much light is needed for it to move on to the next stage. After that, we go on to our little transistor right here. The transistor has 3 legs on it. You have your emitter, your base, and your collector. And how to read that is that you read it with the front numbers and letters. That's your front. So on my little breadboard right here, we have our collector, which collects 5 volts from the right side of our breadboard, which then is connected to another electrical source, your on-off switch from your photocell, and your emitter, your last leg, is going to ground. So now it's also another on-off switch. So we then, after that, go to our relay, which has 3.3 volts for your lights, right here, this orange cable, which then leads into your left and right LEDs, which is connected to 5 volts of electricity, right here and here. And then you also have resistors, because 5 volts or 3.3 volts is not a lot, but it's bright light, and So now we have this, but how does it work still? Yes. With a little extra light, you can change from left to right. And if I had more light, I could change the potentiometer, but I don't have enough. So